Why do we shiver? What causes shivering when exposed, say, to a cold stimulus, the cold weather, some cold water? Why is the body shivering? What's the whole purpose behind it? To understand this, we need to appreciate the mechanism of homeostasis. Homeostasis, by definition, is the mechanism by which the body maintains a constant internal environment within set ranges. These ranges are quite narrow, sometimes referred to as narrow ranges. Different types of animals, reptiles for example, are ectotherms. These animals maintain their body temperature by making adaptable changes to the surrounding. When too warm, for example, they'll move into the shade. When too cold, they'll move into direct sunlight to cool off or warm up their bodies respectively. Endotherms, i.e. animals and other sophisticated animals, actually maintain their body temperature. They regulate this through very advanced, very sophisticated physiological mechanisms. Examples of mechanisms otherwise include, aside from temperature, which we refer to as thermoregulation, there is osmoregulation, referred to as water balance maintenance. Blood glucose monitoring is another example that the body does, amongst many other. So the shivering itself, we need to understand, why do we shiver? So respiration is something we have to appreciate here. Respiration is the process by which we make energy in the form of ATP using glucose, one of the main carbohydrates that we consume. Respiration is an exothermic reaction, which means that we give off heat to the surrounding. When we're cold, we're trying to warm ourselves up. What the body is therefore doing is that it's causing the muscles to contract. That contraction warrants respiration. Respiration, as I said, is an exothermic reaction, producing heat, giving it off to the surrounding. By repeatedly contracting, we are creating more heat through the process of respiration. And that's precisely what shivering is. The repeated contractions of muscles over and over in a bid to try to increase the body temperature because of the cold stimulus that we have been exposed to. And this is just one of many mechanisms that the body adapts when exposed to cold environments. Others can be explained at other times, but as for the shivering, it uses up a lot of energy, and that's why the food consumption may also increase in a cold environment. Thank you for watching.